Here they are. Old school Auto Studio CD 100 Pro from the late 90s. Dual voice coil, 4 ohm voice coils. And here the coils are now connected in series, so in 8 ohm, and then all 3 parallel, so the final is 2.6 ohm. More old school car audio here. 8 pairs of 3.5 inch speakers. And for these 3.5 inch speakers, this 4-channel old school Alpine. And here on the other side, legendary Soundstream Reference 500S. Of course, for these 10-inch Auto Studios. And for the 18-inch Velocity Burning Desire. Old school. Like icing on the cake. Auto Studio Equalizer crossover. Beauty of this design here is that I made this hinge system here, so I can fold this box down if I need to transport something a little bit bigger here.